As a part requester of your organization, you have several options to order a product from Siemens's AM network. Let's take a look at 3 different journeys you can take. The first option is to use the AM Parts Catalog, which is a database of all parts that were ordered in the past. It provides information about material specifications, AM technology, and post-processing requirements. The second option is to reorder entire build jobs from your build catalog. It allows series production of AM parts to scale up your company's AM production by utilizing predefined builds. The third and final option is to start a completely new order from the workspace. Here, you can easily manage and track all your current and past orders and add desired parts from either your PLM system like Siemens Teamcenter or your local disk. During the order process, you can specify and qualify parts to make them ready for 3D printing. Tools such as our 3D viewer allow you to perform advanced printability checks such as mesh validity, wall thickness, and minimal gaps. To find the right production site, you can use your organization's internal supplier directory. This directory provides information about production sites that can provide the right machines, materials, and certifications needed for your order. Additionally, you can add external trusted suppliers if your in-house supplier lacks capabilities or runs at full capacity. With automated quoting based on predefined measures by the production site, you can enhance the customer experience and lead time. At the production site, the order management module helps structure and work on all incoming order requests from within your organization. You can effectively collaborate with teammates on orders and assign tasks. By seamlessly transferring order information to production, you can gain greater transparency on the order status and document all process steps together in one platform. The chat functionality helps both sides communicate and prevent misconceptions. Once an order is accepted, the production planning module helps the part provider schedule the print jobs for all the machines available on your shop floor. You can see all the parts from different order requests on the left side in your backlog, as well as all machines and their availabilities on the right side on your shop floor. You can easily create new print jobs and allocate parts into these via simple drag and drop. The system helps you allocate the right routing process and further guides you into the build preparation. For the build preparation, you can benefit from our seamlessly integrated workflow with Siemens CAM software NXAM. The needed geometry and quantity information is automatically transferred from AM network, so that you can start orienting the parts on the build trail and nesting them right away. Any parts that were not fitted are automatically reallocated back to the AM network's backlog of parts. To streamline your manufacturing process, the AM network offers a wide range of API connectivity that allows for integration with your manufacturing execution system. With our in-house solution, Siemens OpCenter, you can just find your planned build jobs from AM network in the MES system and start executing the work orders. These execution groups contain all the relevant data for your shop floor operations, including the defined routing processes, which helps to ensure that right parts are printed with the right specification, every time. After product execution, the courier and tracking number will be sent to the part requester. Our system solution provides you with complete visibility and traceability of all AM activities across your organization's network. This allows you to monitor and analyze production activities across geographically distributed sites, track order requests, and view completed orders. In addition to generating billing reports, the AM network also empowers you to create analytics for various areas such as financial trends, customer or business unit analysis, material consumption, and performance analysis. With this level of transparency, you can minimize errors and enhance collaboration across teams, resulting in improved customer satisfaction. You can easily integrate this data into your preferred business insights tool and ERP system, such as SAP.